Another day, another seed haul. That's right, folks. Baker Creek sent me some more seeds again. No, they didn't send it to me. I ordered them. Let's crack this open and see what's inside. Gotta say, they do a fantastic job with their seed packaging. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is the Chinese pink celery, it says. So I love it. I mean, this is just a simple envelope, but they do take the extra care for that. Just kind of gives you the fizz, doesn't it? So, first off, we have some seeds that I just planted so I can get some hummingbirds into the yard and maybe make some mint as well. This is Apache Sunset Agastache, I think is that how you pronounce it. It's got root beer scented flowers. Should be good for tea. We're going into the GreenStalk now. The GreenStalk right back here. We have the Micro Tom tomato. This guy's going on the very bottom row of my GreenStalk. This guy's supposed to be a determinate tomato. Basically, it grows up to, maybe 24 inches tall. Yeah, it's supposed to be a nice little solid producing tomato. Have a bunch of little cherry tomatoes on there for me. This right here is a free seed that I got. Don't know how to say it. Wapsipinicon peach tomato. It's an indeterminate tomato, but it's got 2-inch small fruit. They look like little peach. They got a little fuzz on it, it says. So this ought to be interesting to plant as well. Another tomato, little cherry tomato that I got is the orange hat tomato. This guy is also going to be a small tomato. It says just grows to just 6 to 9 inches tall, but produces oodles of tiny orange orbs. I fell in love with eating little orange tomatoes. They are so tasty, so that's the reason why I got this. This guy's definitely will work well on this GreenStalk. One of the boys wanted to plant some cucumbers, so we had to get a bush variety of cucumbers. So I thought maybe let's try something different. We're probably going to grow our regular cucumbers in the garden and pickle those, but we can try these dragon egg cucumbers is what we're going to try out on the GreenStalk. See if we can pick them and eat them as like fresh cucumbers. I love eating fresh cucumbers in the summer. With all the vegetables I eat, I should be a lot skinnier, but who knows. Got me some Bloody Mary nasturtiums. These are also going to go on the GreenStalk. These guys will probably trickle down from the GreenStalk, so have those. Calendulas, I'm going to put these on the top tier of the GreenStalk. These guys are going to be some showy little flowers that I can have. They're also edible, so we're going to put these on top along with the sugar snap peas that we're going to grow. Got another free seed packet here. This is the pink Fang tomato. It's an indeterminate regular leaf. This is supposed to be a meaty tomato, so we'll see how that works out. Yet another free seed packet. It's the Biquinho pepper, yellow pepper. These are Brazilian peppers. They're supposed to be tangy and sweet, just have a little bit of heat on them. Or we might plant these as well. In the GreenStalk, I am going to put the butter gem lettuce. This is going to be one of the primary growers for my salad bar. And then I do have a couple onions here. I got a Wethersfield red and then a Australian brown. I bought these because these are heirloom seeds. Maybe I can harvest seeds off of them, but they also have great flavor and they're supposed to have some longevity for storage. So we'll see how well these work out. I'm trying to do an auditions for onions this year to see which onions I want to grow from year to year and then try to see if I can maybe harvest some seeds from them. I mentioned that I'm growing sugar snap peas on the top on the top tier of the GreenStalk back here. So these are going to be the sugar daddy peas that I'm going to plant. These are supposed to be a smaller bushing variety of sugar snap peas. I love sugar snap peas. My mouth's watering just thinking about them. They are so tasty. They taste almost like candy. So we're out there eating them. Very rarely do they make it into the house, but I like to have enough that I can make it into the house and make some stir fry with them. But a lot of time I'm out there just snacking on them while I'm out working in the garden. And then last but not least, I got some Dragon Ton beans. These are supposed to be great tasting beans. I've grew these in the past. I didn't really get a real good harvest off of them, but you know, time tells. I got a little bit more experience under my belt, and hopefully I'll have a little bit more better of experience with these guys, and hopefully we'll get a good feel for these guys. One of the boys wants to plant these in the GreenStalk, so we'll try them in the GreenStalk. I'll probably try them out in the garden as well. So hopefully, we'll see, but I can't make any promises. I doubt that's going to be the last order I do from Baker Creek, but we'll see. If you guys want to stay tuned, see if I have any more orders from Baker Creek. I think this is order number 3 for me this year. Click that subscribe button. Throw me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Have you guys ordered from Baker Creek? If you have, what is the most favorite thing that you've ordered from Baker Creek so far? I would have to say I love all the oddball stuff that we can get from there. Probably the best thing that I've ordered from them is the Elijah Craig onion. That sucker got so huge. It's my first successful grow from a seed, a little bitty seed, all the way to like a huge onion. So that's probably going to be my favorite I've gotten from them so far. Cheers, everybody.